Why Ubuntu? They spy, and more of your comments. All right, let's take a look at some of your comments before a storm comes in here. So this is from Jorge. Jorge says, why Ubuntu? They spy. This is from the Father of Linux's Delighted video. Okay, how can I explain this again? One of my friends' TV crapped out. Hey, join the club. Anyway, she has satellite TV service, and after her TV, I think it went out, in the bedroom, her satellite TV service called her and they said, hey, why is your TV not working? That is excellent customer service, and that is also very creepy. Anyway, Jorge, the entire web spies. There is no privacy. So if you do not want to be spied upon, you need to sell all of your computers, all of your tablets, all of your laptops, no more smartphones, and move to Bangladesh. Okay, this is from Jeff. Hi, Jeff. He says, I am not sure how many thugs want my 2013 Kia Rio with 220,000 miles and a dented door. Yeah, if you own a Kia or Hyundai 2011 between 2021, you may want to not drive for a while. I guess kids, young folks are able to steal your car or hotwire it by using a USB charger cable. No joke. All right, this is from JG Wright. Since we're talking about Debian, let me name drop Sparky Linux. You just did. This is from User Someone. Love that name. He says, thanks, man. You're welcome. This is from the video How to Install Apps in Ubuntu. There's more than one way to install apps. I think this video's got to be close to 10 years old, but I guess it's still valid. So, User Someone, you are welcome. All right, this is from Hawk1291. He says, interesting, I did this literally 2 days ago. This is from the video, the Linux Mint upgrade tool is annoying. So he says, I did this literally 2 days ago, and two things were very different for me. I ran sudo mint upgrade, never started a GUI. It did everything in the terminal. And he says, when asked about the time shift backup option, it had a skip option. Mine did not. Hawk, I guess I found the bug. That option was not there. I had a GUI, didn't really need the GUI. I could have done everything in the terminal, but the option to skip the time shift option for me was not there. And that's the part that was annoying. This is from White Chocolate. Yummy. He says, thanks, man. Mine just expired. This worked for me. This is from the expired Chromebook Try Lacrosse, not the game. Linux and Chrome OS. If you have an expired Chromebook that just expired, it's still usable, assuming that it ain't broken. You can install the Linux-based Chrome internet browser, and you may be able to extend the life of your Chromebook, so check it out. Okay, this is from my friend Joey. He says, what a way to flush your money down the drain. This is from YouTuber Bill's Toilet Gaming PC. No joke. I guess he had a lot of time. Joe, what could I say? He can use his toilet gaming PC by sitting on his Steam Deck. All right, thank you for all of your comments. There's obviously more comments than this, but like I said, I think there's a storm coming in, so let me end this here. We'll do this again. And thank you for all of your comments for this Comments Corner. Take care.